Set 3. The intelligence team of a country X receives messages from its team in country Y in a specially curated coding language so that even if the messages are leaked, they cannot be read by others. To code the messages, the team uses the 26 letters of the English alphabet, that is A to Z. Though the order of the letters remains the same as in the alphabet series, the series starts from a different letter according to the coding rules mentioned ahead. Also, the series might be read forwards or backwards as per the rules. The coding rules are: if a message is sent on day n, the first letter of the alphabet series is taken as the alphabet vowel, where alpha is the remainder when n is divided by 5, considering remainder 0 as 5. The first, second, third, fourth, and fifth vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, if a message is to be sent on 23rd of a month, then the alphabet series starts from I. Hence, I is considered as the first letter of the series, J as the second, K as the third, and so on till H, which is 26th. So, if the date is 23rd of a month, so 23 when divided by 5 gives us a remainder of 3. So, we have to look into the third vowel. So, the series will, the alphabet has to be spoken as if I is the first letter of the series. I, J, K, L. So I will be first position, J will be second, K will be third, and so on. So that's what the first rule is. Second rule states, if a message is sent in an odd numbered month, that is January, March, May, July, September, November, then the counting of the series goes forwards, otherwise it goes backwards. For example, if a message is to be sent on 23rd of May, and May is the 5th month of a year, which is odd, so that means the series will go forwards, as in it will be a proper I, J, K, L, M, N, O. If it is going to be 23rd of June, and June is our 6th month of the year, which is even, so it won't be treated I, J, K, L. It has to be read in the opposite direction. So I, H, G, and so on. Third rule is, finally, the message is coded by replacing every letter of the original message with the letter at the same position in the coded series. For example, the word the will be coded as BPM on the 23rd of May because BPM are the 20th, 8th, and 5th letters in the series of the 23rd of May as per the rules. Okay, so just given an example. Now it says that if the message consists of more than one word forming a sentence, the same coding rules as stated above apply to all the words. So it's not true for just one word or the first word. It is true for all the words in the message. Let's look at the questions. What is the coded message for this? What is the coded message for this? Which of the following will be the days, and so on. So either the questions are theta ones or definite options. So looks like it's going to be a relatively easier set. Now, let's move over to the questions. Question number 12. What is the coded message for "We are at war" sent on 12th of August? So, in order to solve questions of this set, we will be writing A to Z normally. And we will look at the date. The date is 12th, which when divided by 5 will give us the remainder as 2. So, we'll start with the second vowel, which is E. So, this will be the first letter in the series. Next, August is the 8th month of the year. So that means this is even. So we will be reading it in the reverse order. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Z will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26th. So F is going to be our 26th letter. Now, if you look at the word WE, so in this case, W is going to be the W is the 25th letter normally, right? So, sorry, not 25th. W is the 23rd letter, right? 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. So we have to look at the 23rd letter. So 23rd letter is I. E is our 5th letter normally. Here 5 is A. So it should be IA. Looking at the options, we are pretty sure it's going to be B because none of the other three options, they make sense. The very first word gave us the answer. Question number 13. What is the coded message for help me sent on 30th of March? Now 30 when divided by 5 gives us the remainder as 0, and 0 is to be considered as 5 as the remainder. So we will start with the fifth vowel, which is A, E, I, O, U. So this is our first letter in the series now instead of A. And March is our third month of the year. It's odd, so it should be considered in the same sequence from left to right. So first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So let's look at the options. I think if we look into the only first two letters, that will be great. Now, H is normally our 8th letter and is our 5th letter. Right now, our 8th letter is B and the 5th letter is Y. So BY should be the first two letters in the coded message. So the answer is going to be option C. So we don't have to check the entire word. First couple of letters will do. Question number 14. Which of the following can be the days when talk resumed is coded as NUFE, LYM, GYX? Rather than going by the options and checking them one by one, what we can do is we can pick up the easiest letter. A is our first letter normally. So instead of A, we see U here. That means U is going to be our first letter. And if we look at now E is our second letter of the second word, which is replaced by Y. Since E is normally our fifth letter, that means Y is going to be our fifth letter, which tells us that this sequence should be moving from left to right. As in, the month is definitely going to be an odd numbered month. October is the 10th month, so A option cannot be the answer. December is 12th, it cannot be the answer. February is 2nd, C cannot be our answer. So the only option that we are left with is D. Actually, if you look at the date 25th, when that is divided by 5, we will get the remainder as 0, which can be treated as remainder being 5. As in, we have to start with the fifth vowel, which is U. And from there on, we will start. So 25th of January could be that particular date from the given options. D option. Question number 15. The intelligence team received a coded message as "come soon" on 31st of September. What was the message? The date is 31, which when divided by 5 will give us the remainder as 1. That means we will start with A as the first. Now we will move from left to right or the vice versa. It depends on the month. September is the 9th month of the year, which means that this is odd. So it should go as the usual sequence. So this is the normal sequence. So there is no encoding that has happened. So "come soon" should be the original word as well, original phrase as well. Option A is going to be the answer. Question number 16. On how many days in a year will a message be delivered as it is even in coded form? Just like the question number 15, the previous one, where the actual message was "come soon" and when the encoded was "come soon." So that was only true whenever the date is going to be of the format 5k plus 1 and the month is going to be odd. Now, the month being odd, we have got January with 31 days, then we have got March with 31 days, then we have got May with 31 days, then we have got July with 31 days, then we have got September with 30 days, and then we have got November with 30 days. So these are the 6 odd months which fall in the odd sequence. Now the dates that we can have up to 30 or 31 is going to be obviously the first of every month, then 6th and then we are going to have a jump of another 5, which is 11, 16, 21, 26, and 31. If we talk about January, we are going to have all of these 7 dates. March as well, all of these 7. May also all of these 7. July also all of these 7. But in the case of September, 31st doesn't exist. So we will have only 6 and 6 over here. So if we count the total number of dates where the encoded and the original message, they are the same, it's going to be 776, that is 20, 776, that is 20, so that is 40. Since it's a theta question, we had to type in 40, and 40 is going to be the answer.